To add photo to frame, I'll quickly go to my designs here to bring in a design that has frame in them. So if I click on this design has a frame. So let me quickly collapse this. And to add photos to these preset frames already, I'll go over to my uploads to bring in the photos I want to add by uploading my files here. But I already have my photos here in my folder, so I'm going to quickly go over to my folder and start pulling in my photos into this frame. You can double tap if your photo is not sitting well to drag it and position it correctly. Go over to this one and I choose to add this here. If I choose to add this to this frame, if I choose to add this coconut head that AI made me look like a coconut. If you want to bring in your own frame, you can come over to elements here, come down to the categories here and come over to frame. And we have all these beautiful frames there are here. You can search what style you're going for. If we choose this tone paper, and let's just quickly size that down a bit and place it here. I'll pull this image into it like this. Let me know if you have any questions. Do have a good one.